The Central Executive Committee of the Jaintia Students' Union was held recently at the Orchid Hall, Thalaskein, to discuss on matters related to the general public. The gathering included members of the union's central body and those from Shillong City. Besides a discussion on the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Union that would be held in 2022, the committee had also discussed matters related to construction of their own office at Jowai, the demand for implementation of inner line permit that has been pending since 1983, the damming of the Umngot River that would affect life and tourism activities in Ilaka Darang, the central government's environmental clearance to Star Cement Factory that would affect forest and wildlife at Narpo Wildlife Sanctuary, Eco-Sensitive Zone and at Lukha River, the construction of the extension building at Ukyang Nangba College, and the establishment of government schools and civil hospital in East Jaintia Hills District. Speaking to newspersons, the president of the Jaintia Students' Union, Jersom Shilla, strongly affirmed that the union will not turn back or give up their demands put before the government for the welfare and well-being of the people of the state.
We are lagi na buat kapor kapor, nang wa etik sekri yang ina kota kriu jadi dulu, yaman kau wajib, yaman usok rupabha, yaman nak kota untuk lu kalau way itu keburum yang mana, yang pilih yang mana kalau way nak kota kriu bagi saya dulu, itu itu Islam JSU.